This 2022 Leisure Travel Unity U24IB is a Class B RV. It is located in Palm Desert, California, 92211 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Palm Desert. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used leisure travel and features sleeps 2. The floor plan layout of this Class B features rear bedroom. This 2022 Leisure Travel Unity U24IB is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.